Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create a free landing page with Canva. So let's just begin. To create the landing page in Canva, first of all you will need to log in into your Canva account, and after that what we need to do, we have to choose the size of 16 by 9 ratio because that is the default size of the landing page on the desktop or the laptop. Okay, so let's click on the presentation here. Okay, so here as you can see here that we have a lot of the different templates, but these template actually is for the presentation, not for the landing page. So we can't actually use any of these templates here. We would have to design our landing page from the scratch. Okay, so how can we do this? We can actually design the landing page on the Canva in the different sections. Okay, so it simply means in the first page we will actually have the navbar, and after that we would have the header design or the hero image, okay, or the title, and after that on the each page we can create the each section for our landing page. So it could be about us, it could be the prices, it could be the contact us, and in the last it can have the footer. Okay, so let's just design our first page. Okay, so for that let's just go inside the elements, and in the element let's just click on the square here. Okay, so first of all we're gonna have the neighbor, so let's occupy the space here. All right, so this is looking fine. Okay, so after the neighbor, okay, so I have to increase the size. Okay, so now this is looking better. So now what I need to do, I have to change the background color here. So this would be dark blue background color, and here what I can do here, I can simply add the logo here of our company or whatever the service we are doing here or anything here. So let's just click on the text, and here we're gonna have the logo. Okay, so let's just decrease the size, so this would be 30 px. Okay, so this would work fine. Let's just put it here and change the color of our logo. So here you can simply place your logo here, and after that we can simply place here the option of our neighbor. Okay, so let's just click here. So the first thing we would have portfolio. So let's just decrease the size of it, so this would be 20 px. Copy this again. All right, so second would be about us, third would be contact us. Okay, so let's just put all of these options here. So let's just change the color of our menu options here, so that would be white color again. Okay, so as you can see here we have our neighbor. So after the neighbor, what we can do here, we can simply add our heading here. Okay, so in the heading I'm going to simply add feel the beats. Okay, so that is the heading. All right, and now what I need here, I actually need the image. So let's click on the elements here. Okay, so let's just add the image here of the headphone. So let's click on the headphones here, and from here I simply want to go here with this photo, and let's just put it here, and this is looking really great here. Okay, this is looking really great, and we can also customize this accordingly. Okay, but right now I want to change the color of our neighbor, so let's click here, change the color to the black here. Okay, so this is looking great now. So we have created our first section. So after that what I need to do, I want to create the about us section and the pricing section or the contact us section. Okay, so to create the second section we have to add the page here. So let's click here, and here first of all I would actually like to add the heading of about us. So let's put it here, about us, and let's just decrease the size a bit, so this would be 60 px. Okay, so now what I need to do, let's just add the text here, and I already have the text, so let's just paste the value here and decrease the size here. So this would be 20 px. All right, let's just decrease the size a bit and put it into the center. All right, so this is looking great. So now what I need to do, I want to add the headphone element here. So let's go inside the graphics. And here I would simply like to go here with this design because this is the free design and this is looking really great. And we can change the size of our text as well. Okay. Okay, so the about us is looking fine. I just put it into the center. And I think we need to decrease the size again. Okay, so now this is looking better. So we have the about us. Now what I want to do, I want to add the line breaker between the different sections. So for that, I will simply write down line break here, and we would like to add the divider between our sections. Okay, so I actually want to go here with this simple line. So let's click here and we can put this here or maybe here. Increase the size of the line. All right, so this is looking fine now. Let's just align our text between the about us and the line. So this is looking okay. So in the similar way, we can add the sections after the line break. So let's copy this and paste this again. And here we can simply add any other text or any other section here. Okay, so let's write down contact us or maybe the portfolio or anything else. Okay, so however you like it. So let's just make it bold. And I think we have to align this here. Okay, so let's change the positioning of our sections. Now our sections are properly aligned, and in the similar way I can add the picture on the element on the new section. So let's copy this and I have to flip this and we can simply put it here. And in the similar way, if I want to add the new page or the new section, I'll simply click on the add new page here. And after creating the whole landing page, what we need to do, we actually have to click on the share here. And after that, click on the download. And we have to download this in the PDF format. Okay. So as you can see this, the PDF standard is already selected as the file type. After that, we have to click on the download. And then it will start downloading our landing page. Okay. All right, so now you will be able to see that we have our landing page. Okay, you can see here we have our hero section, we have the navigation bar. After that, we have the about us and the contact us section. So in this way, we can design our landing page in the Canva. And after designing it, what we need to do, we have to export this in the PDF format. Okay, so this is it for this video. So if you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.